The PiNetwork, a decentralized digital currency project that has gained significant attention since its inception in 2019, is now gearing up for its highly anticipated Mainnet launch. After several years of development and testing, the transition from testnet to Mainnet marks a major milestone for PiNetwork users and the broader cryptocurrency community. This article explores the implications of the Mainnet launch and answers commonly asked questions about PiNetwork, including its value and potential listing on major exchanges. What is the PiNetwork Mainnet? PiNetwork is a digital currency project that aims to make cryptocurrency accessible by allowing users to mine Pi coins, PI, using mobile devices. The Mainnet is the live blockchain environment where Pi transactions are recorded and verified. Prior to this, Pi operated on a testnet, which was used for development and internal testing. The Mainnet transition marks Pi's emergence as a fully functional cryptocurrency, with real-world applications for transactions, investments, and decentralized applications, DApps. Key changes for PiNetwork users. The transition from testnet to Mainnet. Until now, Pi coins were essentially unusable outside of the PiNetwork's closed testnet. Once the Mainnet is launched, Pi coins will be tradable and usable in various decentralized applications. Users who mined Pi coins during the testnet phase will be able to transfer their coins to the Mainnet, subject to a Know Your Customer (KYC) process to verify identity and ensure legitimacy. Increased credibility and value. One of the most pressing questions surrounding PiNetwork is its value. With the Mainnet launch, Pi coins will be listed on cryptocurrency exchanges, where their value will be determined by market demand. While Pi coins could potentially appreciate over time, it's important to remember that all cryptocurrencies are subject to market volatility. The Mainnet launch marks a crucial step in Pi's journey toward becoming a legitimate, tradable digital currency. Answers to common questions. How much is one Pi worth now? As of now, Pi coins do not have an established value on traditional cryptocurrency exchanges because they have not yet been listed. The value of Pi coins will be determined once the Mainnet is launched and they are made available for trading. Until then, any value attributed to Pi coins is speculative and based on the community's expectations. Is Pi worth money now? Currently, Pi coins cannot be exchanged for money. They exist only within the PiNetwork ecosystem and are not yet tradable or recognized as a currency by major exchanges. Once Pi is listed on exchanges post-Mainnet launch, its value will be influenced by supply, demand, and market sentiment. In which exchange is Pi listed? Pi coins have not yet been listed on any major cryptocurrency exchanges. The PiNetwork team has focused on building the blockchain and preparing for the Mainnet launch. Once the transition is complete, Pi will likely be listed on several exchanges, but the specific platforms are yet to be confirmed. Will Pi be listed on Binance? There is speculation and hope among the Pi community that Pi coins may eventually be listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance. However, the PiNetwork team has not officially confirmed any plans for Pi to be listed on Binance or any other exchange. This will depend on several factors, including market demand, regulatory approval, and the network's ability to scale. Decentralization and control. The Mainnet launch will transition PiNetwork to a decentralized ecosystem where transactions are verified through a distributed ledger. This marks a shift away from centralized control, with Pi users gaining more control over their coins and data. Pi operates on a unique consensus algorithm called the Federated Byzantine Agreement (FBA), which allows for scalable transactions without compromising security. Opportunity for developers and entrepreneurs. The Mainnet launch creates new opportunities for developers and entrepreneurs. Developers can now deploy decentralized applications (dApps) on the Pi blockchain, opening the door to businesses and services related to finance, gaming, social networking, and more. Entrepreneurs may also find opportunities to create Pi-based products and services as the ecosystem grows. Potential for Pi wallets and NFTs. With the Mainnet live, PiNetwork users can expect the development of wallets for securely storing Pi coins. Additionally, the potential for Pi to enter the NFT, non-fungible token, market could allow users to mint, buy, and sell digital assets, further integrating Pi into the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. Risks and challenges. Despite the excitement, there are risks associated with the Mainnet launch. Regulatory scrutiny is one potential hurdle, as governments around the world continue to explore how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Additionally, Pi's value is not guaranteed. All cryptocurrencies, it could experience price fluctuations based on market conditions and adoption rates. Community and network growth. The success of PiNetwork will largely depend on its community. As the network grows and attracts more users, the utility and value of Pi coins could increase. However, this growth depends on Pi's ability to scale and innovate, maintaining its decentralized principles while building a robust ecosystem. Conclusion: what lies ahead for PiNetwork users? The mainnet launch of PiNetwork is a transformative step, offering users the ability to use and trade their mined coins in the real world. While the launch brings many exciting possibilities, it also comes with challenges, including regulatory concerns and market volatility. Users should stay informed about the latest developments and exercise caution when transitioning to the mainnet. Ultimately, the success of PiNetwork will depend on its ability to engage its user base, attract developers, and adapt to the evolving cryptocurrency landscape. The future of Pi may offer opportunities to reshape the way digital currencies operate and integrate into the global economy. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.